Okay, me and Chong are in another part of the park. It's a trail that leads off to the lake. You can hear the cars. I got a big sweater on today, even though it's kind of hot because these mosquitoes like to eat me. They like my blood. I think they're in the grass. But you see, we're right by the water. It's very pretty. It's very nice, especially when you're right next to the water. Early in the morning, it's a very nice sight. Kind of warms your heart. I actually haven't been here with anybody. This was, I guess, me and Chong's spots, we can say. But like I said, he's my best friend, so. Sadly, there's no animals in this area, but it is a very beautiful nature site all the same. So I guess it wasn't a wasted footage, but it's very pretty.